90 days ago, I started a new online business with no traffic and no customers trying to sell digital products. After 90 days, here were the results. So on the first month, I got 134 views and generated one sale. I made $55.98. By the second month, I got 3,000 views, 7 sales, and generated $1,192.03. And by the third month, I got 8,000 views, generated 17 sales, which generated a total of $4,247.45. Some of you might see these results and think, wow, that's pretty disappointing. Or maybe you've seen these results and thinking that's impressive, that's a decent amount of money. I'm not sure who you are or what your situation is, but if you're asking me, I think that's pretty amazing because of what I'm selling and the minimal amount of effort it actually took. So in this video, I'm going to show you my entire process, how to find digital products that sell, how to attract customers organically, and how to generate sales on autopilot. So let's get into it. So just before we get into this, guys, as most of you know, since 2019, I've made over $700,000 from YouTube AdSense revenue. But I'm going to be honest, the amount of effort it took to make that money literally burnt me out and it almost killed me off. And I used to look at other YouTube channels that had less subscribers than me, were getting less views, but I was seeing that some of these creators were actually making way more money than me. And when I started to investigate and do my research, I found out that a lot of these channels were making so much money because they were effectively monetizing their audience selling digital products. And in the past 90 days, I've started to implement this strategy myself, selling digital products, and I've made over $4,247.45. So to sell digital products on YouTube on autopilot, I've followed these 4 steps of product, attention, relationship, and sales. So to sell digital products, first what you need to do is find a digital product that you can actually sell or create one. So for me personally, I focus on content creation, online business, and making money online because this is what I specialize in. So from this, I've decided to put together different digital products, teaching people how to grow on YouTube and make money on YouTube. But for you personally, if you don't know what digital products to sell, I've actually put together a catalog of 22 digital product ideas that sell. Now, these are not just plucked from Google. These are actual digital products that are selling right now. I've researched and I've put them into a catalog of 22 digital product ideas that you can start selling today. And you can access those 22 digital product ideas in the description of this video. But as far as creating a product or finding a product, the best digital products you can sell are the ones that genuinely solve a problem or help people achieve a desired outcome. The easiest way to create a digital product is to take a previous problem you've solved or a result you've achieved, package your process into a step-by-step guide that others can follow. And you can deliver your product as an ebook, online course, pre-recorded video workshop, Google Doc, or a Notion template. It's important to note, guys, your product doesn't need to be spectacular. As long as it gets results for your clients, that's all that matters. And one of my pro tips is to keep refining and improving your product. This way you can build a strong reputation and increase your price over time. So as I say, if you don't know what digital product to create, I'll put a catalog of 22 digital product ideas that sell, and you can access them in the description of this video. So once you have your digital product, you can move on to step 2, which is attention. So before you can generate sales, first you need to attract the attention of your ideal audience and clients. In 2024, long-form YouTube content is by far the most effective way to get attention and generate sales. But why though? YouTube is interest-based, meaning YouTube only shows your content to your ideal customers. 68% of YouTube users make purchase decisions after watching YouTube videos, meaning it's easier to sell on YouTube than any other social media platform. So this is how I sell my digital products with this YouTube channel. I basically create videos helping people to solve problems in the niche of YouTube, content creation, and making money online and online business. I make those videos, and because I'm making videos targeting specific customers, YouTube will show these videos to people that are already interested in my content, and then they'll click on my videos, watch the videos, and then because they know that I have a lot of expertise and skills and knowledge about this particular subject of making money online and growing on YouTube, this is how I sell my digital products. So whatever digital products you're selling, literally all you need to do is make videos related to your digital products, maybe give some tips and share some value, step-by-step tips for people that want to achieve a desired outcome or result. Keep posting videos on your YouTube channel, Put a link in the description for your digital products, then you'll attract your ideal customers, and this is how you will generate sales on autopilot. Just to give you an idea of content strategy, create long-form YouTube content sharing value, your story, insights and strategies to help your ideal customers. Show results you've achieved for yourself and others, client testimonials and success stories. Include CTAs in your video. CTAs is a call to action. Include CTAs in your YouTube videos, offering lead magnets. Include CTAs, letting your followers know you have a paid product they may be interested in. So as I say, create content related to your digital products, giving tips and value for people that will be interested in your digital products. Also show results that you've achieved and tell a little bit about your story, but also most importantly, also share results that you've achieved for yourself and other people, and also share testimonials from other people that you've helped. And as you can see here, I helped a lot of people build businesses on YouTube. And by sharing these testimonials prove your products work, which gives you instant social proof. Sharing your clients' success stories also removes any doubts from potential clients, which will dramatically increase your sales. And because you're sharing testimonials, it's like, for example, if you go on Amazon and you look at a product that you might be interested in buying. If you look at one product and it has no reviews, you're probably not going to buy it. But if you look at another product and it has a ton of reviews, instantly you're just going to buy it because that product has social proof and other people are reassuring you that this product is worth buying. And so if you post testimonials from the clients and people that have bought your digital products, this is going to just generate you way more sales. And this is why I post testimonials all the time on my social media platforms and on YouTube as well. So after you have attention, the next step you want to move on to is relationship. Now, once you get the attention of your ideal clients, you need to build a genuine relationship and gain their trust. To do this, you must consistently provide value, free products and guidance to help people move towards a desired result or outcome. So tips to build a relationship with your ideal customers is offer free products and value such as templates, guides, ebooks, workshops, mini courses in exchange for their email address. Also send them value in newsletters containing insights, results and testimonials. Also make them aware you have a paid product, service they may be interested in. So on your YouTube channel, besides the videos that you post and giving free value, also give them free products that they can access that will help move them towards a desired result or outcome. And by doing this, by giving them free products and free guides and templates and stuff like that, this shows that you actually can help them. It shows the quality of your products and services that you have to offer. And because you give them so much help with the free stuff, this will prove that your paid products must be good as well. And this is how you also attract people to buy your paid products. These are some of my free products that I offer here, a Viral Hooks collection, which is a collection of hooks that have helped me achieve 400,000 subscribers on YouTube. I also have a free copyright crash course for people that want to monetize copyrighted content on YouTube. I do live workshops. And just to build a relationship with potential customers, I also share client success stories. And sharing client success stories in depth demonstrates proven results and builds trust with potential clients, showing that you can deliver on your promises. Personal stories also gives customers the confidence that they can achieve similar results. And basically sharing in-depth success stories of other customers that you've helped achieve results, this also helps to build a relationship with potential customers, and it builds trust, and it also helps you generate more sales because they know they can trust you and they will buy your digital products because they know they actually work. So just to backtrack, first you create a digital product, then you need to get attention with YouTube content, and then you need to build a relationship with people so they trust you enough to buy your digital products. And if you follow these 3 steps, this will allow you to sell digital products on autopilot. So building a relationship with your audience and consistently posting valuable YouTube content targeting your ideal customers will allow you to generate sales on autopilot. This is because YouTube is interest-based, meaning YouTube only shows you videos to your ideal customers. Some interesting stats as well regarding YouTube and why it's the best place to sell digital products. 68% of YouTube users make purchase decisions after watching YouTube videos. This is why it's easier to sell on YouTube than any other social media platform. And I just wanted to show you this particular screenshot here because last month I was on holiday with my family in Ibiza, Spain, and we was just on the beach, you know, just swimming in the ocean, just enjoying the day. And this was at about 1:30 in the afternoon. And as you can see, whilst I was on the beach here with my family, I sold a digital product on autopilot for £299, which is about $330. So this shows, doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter what you're doing, you can sell digital products on autopilot, and this is the ideal lifestyle that I'm working towards. I'm trying to work towards a lifestyle when I can spend more time with my family, go on vacation, not have to work all the time, and still be able to sell digital products on autopilot. Now, in this 90 days as well, it's important to note, guys, I've only made about 5 YouTube videos on my channel, but because the content is evergreen, because it's evergreen content and because it's helping people solve a specific problem, this video will continue to get searched by people for 6 to 12 months and for years down the line. And when they watch these videos, they will purchase your digital products on the back of that. And this is how you passively generate digital product sales on autopilot for months and years to come, by creating evergreen YouTube content. And just by following this model of creating YouTube videos, sharing value, and then offering digital products in the background, this has allowed me to generate $4,247.45. And this is my Stripe payout, which I got off Stripe the other day. And this is for £3,184, which is $4,247. So if you're thinking that you can't sell digital products and you're not sure whether you can do it or not, I need to stress, guys, it doesn't matter what digital products you can sell. If you're in the niche of health, wealth, or relationships, it doesn't matter if you're a musician, an actor, a fitness instructor, it doesn't matter if you're a video editor, a script writer, it doesn't matter what niche you're in. Anybody can create a digital product and start selling digital products online on autopilot. You know, just for example, my father-in-law, he's a chef by trade. He could start selling a digital product, teaching people recipes and how to run a restaurant or how to cook. My fiance, she's a school teacher. She also runs an online business. She could create a digital product teaching people how to become a teacher or how to start an online business. My mother, who is 60 years old, she runs an e-commerce business selling physical products on eBay. She could create a digital product teaching people how to sell things on eBay. So it doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, and what your skills are. Anybody can create a digital product. Then start making YouTube videos sharing value around your skills, and this would naturally attract people to your digital products. And this is how you sell digital products on autopilot. I just want to apologize, guys, because in this video I'm a little bit shaky this morning. I don't know why, I'm stuttering and all the rest of it, but I hope this video was valuable. As I say in the description of this video, I've put together a catalog of 22 digital products ideas that sell. You can access that in the description of this video. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.